Hi, it's Dr. Merrill here at Coates Hearing Clinic, and today I'm going to talk to you about hearing aid repair options that we have here at our clinic, and we're giving patients the flexibility and opportunities for quick service. So these are things that have been put in place, but we want to just kind of have a review of them to let you know in case you forgot. So first we have Coates Curbside Clinic. We started this when COVID first happened, where we kind of have patients be able to sit in their cars and service the hearing aids there so they don't have to come into the office and kind of minimize patient contact. We care about the safety and well-being of our community and our patients. So if you're hesitant to come into the office, but you know your hearing aids need cleaned or repaired, Coates Curbside Clinic is available for you. We don't want you to go without hearing aids, we want you to drive up, park, and let us service your devices while you stay in the comfort of your own home or in your own car. Of course, this is just very minimal repairs or clean-in checks. If it's any sort of programming, you do have to come into the office. Same day in office repairs. Meet Kathy. Most of you probably already know Kathy. She's our audiology assistant and office manager. She is fantastic. She works with all of the different manufacturers of hearing aids and really knows what she's doing. She's available for same day repairs, and also she is a whiz at Bluetooth needs. If you just got a new phone or you're having issues with your Bluetooth and your hearing aids, she can come. She's able to do all that. She has more flexibility than Dr. Coates and myself. We're pretty booked up throughout the day. Kathy has her own patients as well, but most of the time if you call ahead of time and say, hey, I need to get in, and it's just a quick Bluetooth or clean and check or repair, you'll be able to see Kathy. Drop-off service. So the other thing we have is come drop off your hearing aid in the area, but you don't have an appointment, but have a quick repair, but don't have time to sit in the office. We do have a drop-off form that you can have that you are able to fill out, leave your hearing aid, and we should call you by the end of the day to get it. And this is what it is. You just have to have your patient name, your phone number, and then description of the problem. So if you need any help with your hearing aids, please call us today.